Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be focusing on the upstairs area of the house. It is the summer holidays, we're almost coming to an end, but because we're all home the house is getting a lot more messy than it would normally. So I'm going to go ahead and start off in the children's room, tidy up all their toys, put all the clothes away and just do a few bits and bobs in here. Just give it a quick clean because it really does need it. I also want to say I am very sorry I haven't been here for quite a long time. I will also do an explanation video for you guys. So much has been going on in the last 6 months of last year and the first couple of months of this year. I've had a lot to deal with family wise. So I would just like to say that I will do an explanation video, but I am back. I will be posting 3 videos a week at least. And we've got all the cleaning motivation, all those types of videos coming your way. So I would also like to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you that have gone out of your way to message me and ask if I'm okay and where have I been and like if I'm coming back, when is my next video. I honestly appreciate every single one of you. I am definitely not giving up YouTube anytime soon. I've worked so hard to get to where I am and I'm going to just continue to progress and hopefully get somewhere with my YouTube channel. And I honestly am so grateful for every single one of you. You're all so sweet and I appreciate you all so much. So without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling, and like I said, I will do an explanation video very soon for you guys, just to kind of explain a little bit, or maybe I'll add an explanation at the end of one of my videos or at the start of one of my videos, so it's not a full video on its own, but at least you guys know what's been going on and where I've been. But without further ado, let's get on into today's video.
I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow.
So when it comes to cleaning the floor in here, I don't use a mop anymore, simply because I feel like I can clean this floor better with a cloth and some spray. So in here I've got a multi-purpose spray, and it's an apple scent, and honestly it's amazing. I really like this for cleaning the floor. Well, it's used for all surfaces, but specifically the floor I like to use it for. And it does a really good job in here, and I feel like I can get more marks off the floor, especially within the children's room where they have loads of things and crumbs and what have you. So it's easier just to clean this floor with a cloth, and I feel like it gets a lot more off the floor rather than using my flash mop. Even though my flash mop is amazing, I feel like I can get more off the floor this way, if that makes sense.
Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down.
Alright, so now their room is done and it's clean, I'm going to go ahead and fold this basket of laundry. I like to do it in here because mainly it is mostly of my children's clothes. So I go ahead and fold it in their room. That way it's easier to put it all away, and whatever clothes I've got left that need to be hung up, I'll go ahead and hang them up at the end. And I also put them away in here as well. This way it is a lot easier. I literally had 3 or 4 things in this basket that were not supposed to be in this room. So it is a lot easier when 90% of the clothes in the basket is to go in this room, to fold it in the room that it's going to go in.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can hide what this is. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Alright, so now onto my room. This room is most probably one of the rooms that get the messiest. The children still sleep in with me every now and again. So yeah, this does get very messy very quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and start by changing the sheets. And then I'm also going to go ahead and just tidy up around the whole room. Even though this room looks bad, it's not as bad as what it normally is. It's pretty clean considering what it actually normally looks like. There's normally a lot more toys in here, more clothes on the floor, like just a lot of random things that end up in this room. So once I've done the bed, I'm going to go ahead and wipe all the surfaces down, just make sure everything's nice and clean and give it a hoover.
I guess I've been searching for places, some familiar faces. I think I just need a little light. I've been trying to fake it. I have said I can take it, but I think you should let me go. 'Cause I need some time. 'Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. I think I just wanna feel like home, but these days I just feel long gone, and I don't know how to make it right. I've been trying to fake it. I have said I can take it, but I think you should let me go. 'Cause I need some time. 'Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. Sometime 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 I need some time. 'Cause I need some time. 'Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. Sometime I need some time. 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 I need some time.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself?
And finally, onto the landing. I didn't need to do the bathroom in today's video because I literally only did it yesterday. With 2 young children, I've got to keep on top of the bathroom because there's toothpaste everywhere, there's all sorts of things, and there's always bath toys everywhere because they pull them out regardless whether they're going on the bath or not. So I do try to keep on top of that as much as I can, but the landing really didn't need that much work today. I just went ahead and gave it a quick hoover and wiped down a few of the surfaces in the banisters just to keep it all nice and fresh and get rid of the dust. But other than that, it was really easy, really simple, and that is the upstairs now finally nice and clean and ready for the kids to go back to school in a few days. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I haven't been here for such a long time, and so many of you have been asking where I've been and asking for a video, so here it is. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you're new here, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I'm officially back doing YouTube at least 3 videos a week, so if you enjoy these types of videos, cleaning videos, motivational videos, organizing and motherhood, I would love for you to consider subscribing and sticking around. But without further ado, guys, thank you all again so much for being here and supporting me. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes,